Is your Android phone getting slow, overheating, or showing random ads? Even when you're not using it, most people think their phone is just old. But that's not the real problem. Your phone is being tracked, overloaded, and flooded with hidden ads in the background. In this video, I'll show you 6 powerful settings to block ads, stop tracking, and boost your phone's performance. And trust me, step 1 alone can completely change your phone. Step 1. First, we stop ads before they reach your phone. Go to Settings, Connections, More Connection Settings. Then Private DNS. Select Private DNS provider hostname and enter dns.adguard-dns.com. This works across your entire phone, not just in Chrome, but in apps and games too. It's like a firewall for your whole device. Step 2. Ever seen ads pop up over everything? Go to Settings, Apps, Special Access. Appear on top. Disable this for unknown apps. Only trusted apps should have this permission. Step 3. Your phone has a hidden ID that tracks everything you do. Go to Settings, Google, Ads. Then tap Delete Advertising ID. This removes your tracking identity completely. Step 4. In Chrome, go to Settings, Site Settings, Block pop-ups and redirects. Turn off intrusive ads. This stops aggressive ads and redirects. Step 5. Go to Settings, then tap on Connections. Select Data Usage and open Mobile Data Usage. Now, choose the apps you don't need running in the background and turn off background data usage. This simple trick reduces lag, saves your battery, and keeps your phone running cool and smooth. Step 6. Even if you block ads, they can still reach you through notifications. Some apps send ads directly to your notification bar. Go to Settings, Notifications, App Notifications. Check the list carefully. Disable notifications for suspicious apps. This will stop fake promotions, clickbait alerts, and random ad notifications. Before you go, make sure to restart your phone so all the changes take full effect. If you followed these 6 steps, your phone should now feel faster, cleaner, and under your control. If this helped you, hit the like button and drop a comment below telling me your experience. Did this completely block the ads? Or are you still seeing some? And don't forget to subscribe to Ashtech Solution. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.